Qstrain is proud to introduce the AMBULOK, the future of stretcher securement for non-emergency medical transportation. The AMBULOK features a low-profile docking system and innovative bracket technology that allows you to easily secure any stretcher, including those already in your fleet and the most popular brands in the industry. Using proven technology adopted from our world-class securement applications, the AMBULOK has been extensively crash tested and meets SAE J3027, the legally recognized crash test standard for ambulance equipment, ensuring the safety of your passengers and operators while reducing your liability as a transportation provider. The system is lightweight and features a fast, simple, toolless installation, allowing you to quickly transition between stretcher and wheelchair transportation configurations as needed. With the modern first responders in mind, we designed each step of the securement and release process to be intuitive, enable easy one-hand operation, and to encourage movement patterns that EMS and non-emergency medical technicians are already familiar with. To install the AMBULOK, position the wheel anchor and docking system in the tracking and simply rotate the locking knobs and anti-vibration dials to lock them into place. For the electrical AMBULOK, attach the power source, or for the manual system, align the safety hook with the docking system. To secure the stretcher, first ensure that the patient is secured with the AMBULOK 4-point occupant securement system. Then simply load the stretcher into the vehicle, aligning the front wheel caster with the wheel anchor and guiding the securement bolt so that it engages into the docking system. Once engaged, you'll be able to hear the dock lock the stretcher into place. For the electrical version of the AMBULOK, the wall button will turn from gray to green, indicating that the stretcher is secure and the operator can begin their trip. To deboard, press the safety hook forward, or for the electrical version, press the wall button to release the stretcher and move the passenger out of the vehicle. For elevated rear entry applications, the safety hook keeps the stretcher securely in the vehicle while the operator re-engages its wheels. The AMBULOK offers non-emergency medical transportation providers an enhanced securement solution tested to the highest EMS standards that ultimately reduces liability and provides greater in-vehicle flexibility while ensuring that passengers in need of medical transportation and their caregivers are as safe as possible during their most vulnerable moments.